Sabi again. New week with a new recipe. New day with a new recipe. As usual, if you see Sabi, you know there are good things. So today, I want to show you how I'm doing my mincemeat. I've grounded beef here. I've cumin seeds, paprika, and black pepper, seasoning flavor there. I have tomato paste and ginger and garlic paste. I have corn flour, soy sauce, sliced, finely sliced onions, grated carrots, tomato puree or blended tomato. I have coriander, dhania, finely sliced, and also have salt. I just want to go straight and show you the process. You are most welcome. For those who are new in this channel, kindly subscribe and help me grow. For those who have subscribed, thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you so much for your subscription. I don't take it for granted. I'm so grateful and I appreciate everyone here. So this is how I make my mincemeat. I'll start by adding mincemeat in a pan, a dry pan, and I'll cook it in a medium high flame. My meat is lean meat. I will cook it until all the water dries out. I'm seasoning it with salt. At this point, it will just cook. What I will do is just stirring and trying to separate them. And I will not add anything here. At this stage, all I want is the water to dry out and my meat well browned and well separated. This is just my style. You can share yours with me too. But if you like this, you can try it out. It's very simple. At this point, the water has dried. As you can see, I'm still trying to separate them. And already it has that texture I was looking for. Breadcrumb light and well separated. At this point, my meat is ready. So I will just go ahead. I'll turn off my flame. And in a separate pot, I will fry my onions. If you are here and you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and watch the video until the end. Share and press the notification bell for more recipe. I will fry until the onions are translucent. I'm adding my garlic and the ginger. It will cook until translucent. At this point, I'll start adding my spices. That is cumin and seasoning flavor. And I've added the beef stock. That is rosemary, dry leaves. I'll go in with tomato, blended tomato. It will cook until it thickens. I'll add paprika and black pepper, add seasoning flavor, tomato paste, stir it and make sure all the spices are well cooperated. At this point, I will add my meat. You add it as you stir to mix well with the gravy. Once you mix it well, I'll add my grated carrot. Give it a good mix until it's well combined. I'll add my soy sauce. Mix it well and add water as you stir, and I'll let it simmer in a medium heat. Stir it until it's well cooperated and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Mix corn flour with water and add it to the meat. Stir it. At this point, I will reduce my flame to low to let the meat simmer well. The meat has thickened so well, the soup is nice and the aroma is heavenly. Now my meat is ready. I will go in with coriander, and my flame by this time is off, and garnishing it with coriander. The meat is ready. The meat is ready. Looks so beautiful. I will serve mine with the mashed potatoes and some cabbages. Guys, kindly leave your comment below. Let me know if you like it or not. Let me know if it's a hit or a nah. And some like, please. Wow, the smell here is heavenly, I tell you. Thank you for hanging out with me. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Look at the color of the steamed cabbage. Wow.